What's up, internet? It's your favorite guy online. It's today, and we're coming at you with a different kind of video. As most of you guys know, I am a student and I'm looking into just doing this quick recording for my assignment. And what better way to make content than a school assignment? This video is going to be to kind of focus around our national hero in the Philippines, Jose Rizal. And I just have a bit of tidbits of information that you guys probably want to know, or probably haven't known yet, and we're just going to run it over right away. There are 3 animals named after Rizal. These species of animals were the ones he collected while he was in exile in Dapitan and include Apogonia rizali, a type of small beetle, Draco rizali, or a species of flying dragon, and Rhacophorus rizali, a species of toad. Number 2, he was already a terrific sculptor even at a very young age. In fact, Rizal carved a 9-inch statuette of the Sacred Heart out of batikuling wood when he was only 14 years old. The Jesuit fathers brought this statuette in Fort Santiago when they visited Rizal in December 1896. Aside from wood sculptures, Rizal also carved 40 amazing masterpieces out of plaster, terracotta, wax, and clay. Number 3, when he was studying in Spain, Rizal had to pawn a ring owned by his sister Saturnina just to pay for his exams. But he didn't want his family to get worried, so he only mentioned his victories and his excellent grades in the letters addressed to his family. What a way to hide bad news. Number 4, Rizal is regarded by many as the father of Philippine comics because of some humorous illustrations he made in Germany. The said drawing, entitled The Baptism of Two Brothers, was inspired by the German cartoon Max and Moritz and was made by Rizal to entertain the children of his landlord, Pastor Ulmer. The original copy is now preserved in the National Library of the Philippines. Number 5. Rizal stuffed unknown papers in his pockets and shoes on the eve of his execution. He did this assuming that his corpse would be turned over to his family after the execution. But as we all know, his body was dumped by Spanish officials in an unmarked grave in Paco Cemetery. The papers had since deteriorated, the contents of which were never identified. So sad. Number 6. Rizal had a third, unfinished novel. Known among historians as Makamisa, this unfinished work was started by Rizal in Hong Kong in 1892. Makamisa was not actually the title of Rizal's work, but only the title of a single chapter of the unfinished Tagalog novel. Number 7. Rizal's original execution photo features a dog, the mascot of the firing squad. It is said that the dog ran around the corpse whining after a soldier fired one last shot in Rizal's head to make sure he was dead. How rude. Number 8. While in Dapitan, Rizal wrote an extensive written discourse on Kudan, entitled La Curación de los Hechizados, the treatment and cure of the bewitched. This lesser-known work of Rizal explores the psychological treatment for kulam, and even explained that the witches were not always women who are old or ugly. He also discussed the difference between Hiluanon of the Visayas, who gives poison to her victims, and Manggagaway, the traditional witch who uses ragdoll and pins. And finally, number 9. The young Jose Rizal experimented with drugs. To be fair, Rizal was never a drug addict. However, that did not stop him from trying some for the sake of science. While just an 18-year-old, Rizal once used hashish he bought from the drugstore. At the time, the drug, a hallucinogen more potent than marijuana, could easily be bought over the counter along with cocaine, morphine, and heroin. So those are 9 interesting facts about our Philippine national hero, Jose Rizal. Thank you for watching the video. See you around. God bless. Bye.